Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Danish Irfan bin Muhammad Zakifli, and I will be representing to you the urban design theory of my design solution applying urban design to design. For the introduction, the enlargement area is located in Pekan Lama, Ipoh in Perak, and it is part of the proposed master plan based on the design concept of the Ipoh Memoryscape and the sub-concept which is the civic flow. The design aims to improve the civic area through connected movement networks, active public spaces, and infrastructures while celebrating the area's heritage identity. The enlargement area acts as a main movement corridor connecting important heritage landmarks such as the Ipoh Town Hall, Ipoh High Court, KTMB Railway Station, and also the Royal Ipoh. With public spaces, several issues were identified, including the car-dominated circulation, the underused open spaces, the limited pedestrian shades, and poor environmental comfort. To address this issue, the design introduced a three-line primary access, active social heart, urban oasis with permeable paving, and a pedestrian-friendly gateways. These features improve pedestrian experience, safety, comfort, and also environmental resilience. And overall, the proposal creates a continuous, people-centered, and sustainable civic landscape that connects Ipoh heritage with everyday public life. Going on to the design issues and theoretical solutions, it is to transform Pekan Lama Ipoh into a well-connected and resilient civic environment. Three primary urban design challenges were identified on site. Each issue was addressed through target design interventions and justified using urban design theoretical dimensions. For the first issue, it is the vehicular dominance and fragment pedestrian circulation. The issue is car-dominated roads make pedestrian and bicycle movement unsafe and uncomfortable. For the design solution, the design creates a continuous movement route with separate pedestrian and bicycle path, raised crossing, and a three-lane corridor to improve safety, comfort, and movement through the civic area. Next, for the design issue number 2, the underutilized public spaces and weak civic engagement. The issue is it has poor maintenance, exposed drains, and limited amenities make the space uninvited and underused. And the design solution is the central area is redesigned as a social heart with integrated drainage, quality landscape paving, shaded seating, and dedicated gathering spaces. These features creates a more comfortable, attractive, and active public space that encourage community interaction and also supports civic events. Going on to the design issue number 3 is high heat accumulation and impervious surface runoff. The issue is large asphalt parking areas with limited shaded and planting create heat buildup and poor thermal comfort. The design solution here is the urban oasis approach transform the parking areas with permeable grass paving, continuous planting, and shaded trees. This reduced the visual impact of parking while improving natural drainage, shade, and also the thermal comfort. Next up is the sustainable and ethical integration. For the first one, the Sustainable Development Goals, which is the SDG. We had 3 main SDG over here. For the first one is Sustainable Cities and Communities, which is the SDG 11. It creates a safe, inclusive, and people-friendly civic space, separate pedestrian, cycling, jogging, and vehicular routes, improving the accessibility while heritage plazas connect key landmarks with daily public life. Number 2 is the SDG number 3, which is the good health and well-being. It promotes walking, jogging, and cycling through dedicated and safer routes. This reduces vehicle conflicts and exposure to pollution while encouraging active lifestyle and healthier public spaces. For the third one is SDG 13, which is the climate action. Through shade trees, planting buffers, and permeable surface, these strategies reduce urban heat, improve thermal comfort, supports biodiversity, and enhance natural stormwater infiltration. Next, we have the nature-based solution, which is the NBS. Here we have 6 main NBS here, which is the nature-based solution. For the first one, we have shade tree canopies that reduce heat and improve thermal comfort. Next, planting buffers filters pollutant and captures carbon. The third one is terrace garden beds that supports rainwater absorption and reduce runoff. The fourth one is permeable surface, which allows water to infiltrate the soil naturally. Next is green parking areas that provides shade while reducing heat buildup. And lastly, softscape zones that supports biodiversity and improve site ecologies. And lastly, for the climate resilience features, the design uses a continuous shade tree and planting along pedestrian, jogging, and cycling paths to reduce heat and provide a cooler environment. Circular resting areas with mature trees also provide a comfortable spaces for people to rest and stay protected from strong heat and rain. And for the conclusion, the Civic Flow design, a proposal for Pekan Lama Ipoh, demonstrate that urban landscape design a thoughtful, theory-grounded, and human-centered response to complex urban challenges rather than a purely graphic exercise. By translating key urban design dimension into a spatial interventions such as the multimodal circulation hierarchies, active social hearts, and green urban oasis, the proposal restores connectivity and vitality to Ipoh's historic civic precinct. Through the integration of sustainable development goals, multi-layered nature-based solution, and climate resilience microclimate strategies, the project delivers a cohesive and accessible, also an environmentally adaptive public realm. Ultimately, the enlargement established a resilient civic framework that harnesses the Pekan Lama's heritage narrative while serving the daily needs of a contemporary community. And I think that's all for my presentation. Thank you and goodbye.